Hey boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pete, they call me Scooby. Today we're gonna go for a ride and this is getting on my nerve. Let's do something about this first. Childproof? Look at all the wires we got here. Today we're going to be installing the quad lock wireless charging head. See if I can eliminate some of the wires on my bike. We got a little book here. Oh, it's got an on off power button. Let's see that. Let's see. Okay, that comes off. A little on-off power button right there. Can you see that? There's the kit. Comes with the charging head. Different types of wiring. Looks like they all have the same port. Oh, don't lose that. Comes with a couple of zip ties. The Allen wrench, the bolt with some thread locker in there already. A little instruction booklet. Let's see what it says. Remove existing mountain heads. So I got to remove this guy. I am going to keep my vibration dampener on there. Bolt that in. Plug it in. It's done. Easy peasy. So it does make a lock. You have to press this in. See how that works? I was wondering, I was thinking I'm going to lose the lock function of this. But you don't. It's spring loaded. See that? So you'd have to press the phone in to unlock it. Cool. See how that would unlock it and lock it? So it still works with the vibration dampener. Look at that. I kinda, oh, you gotta reach back here to push this back to get your phone out. That's kind of a downside. That locks it into place. And not really. You can kind of reach over your phone and press that down to unlock it. Not too bad. To press it in, to get it in there, you just line up your phone, press it in, and it locks right in. But let's see which wire is going to work the best for my application. Good grief, look at the size of that thing. So now I want the shortest possible wire. So this comes with looks like a 3-footer and a 4-footer. And what's this one? Like an 18-inch one? This might be just the perfect one. And I'll plug this in. It's got these little rubber ridges. Can you see that? So it makes a seal. I'm gonna plug this guy in right over there. Press that in nice and firm. Plug this guy in over here. Look at that. Nice easy install. And it's already on. Turn it off. Turn it on. So, if you don't forget to turn that off, the possibility is going to drain your battery. So, that's something that I'm going to have to definitely keep my eye on. There's my phone. I'm going to plug this in. First, let's turn it on and see if it charges the phone. It clicked. Bink, it's charging. It's charging, yay. I got rid of all the messy wires. Gives it a cleaner look. I like that. Is this thing charging? It's not, so I turned it off. I'm probably gonna keep it off until I need to turn it on. Anyway, if you find this video informative, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for future content, because I do have more installs coming. I'll talk to you guys later. Plug this bad boy in. Can you see that blue light flashing? Indicates an error code.